Thanks for visiting Whimsy Stamps and welcome. It's great to have you here with us. I'm Lisa and today I'm sharing what's new in Whimsy Stamps June 20th release. Now stay tuned to the end of the video for some samples and I'll share details on June's giveaway. So we're going to get started with the Kiss My Donkey stamp set. We have 2 images of an adorable donkey featured in this stamp set along with 7 sentiments. Now, I love the little guy in the bottom left in that kissing booth. I think he is so cute. And I love that he has the lips on his little backside. I would recommend you check out Whimsy Stamps' previously released Kiss Off stamp set to pair with the Kiss My Donkey stamp set. I think those two are going to go great together. Also, Whimsy Stamps Heart to Heart paper pack is adorable with that set. The next set we have is Beach Sloths Stamp Set. There are 3 variations of this beach ready sloth with 7 sentiments that are all about taking time to slow down and just chill. Now, I love the little guy chilling on his beach chair. You could use the Fill a Truck stamp set to create a fun beachy scene for these guys. It has a truck and then it has the surfboard and the beach ball that fills the back of the truck. That would be so cute with these little guys. Keeping things moving right along in this release with the Be Happy Clear stamp set. Now, you'll find 6 adorable variations in this set and 7 words to build your sentiments. It's amazing how much personality each bee has. The glasses on both bees add to their character. I just think they're the cutest things. So enjoy using this set through summer into back to school and fall season. The next set, Be Awesome, comes with a total of 16 stamps. Now the size of the images make them perfect for creating your own backgrounds by randomly stamping the images, or use the detail stamps to embellish a scene. The honey dripping sentiments are adorable and I recommend Whimsy Stamps Honeycomb Drip Stencil to go along with both of the bee stamp sets. These sets pair perfectly with the Busy Bees 6x6 paper pack and honeycomb pattern die. That wraps up the clear stamps in this release and we'll move on to 3-word dies. Now these dies are so exciting to me because not only do they coordinate with the upcoming products I'm going to show you in a few seconds, but also with the many thanks stamps and outline dies that are previously released. So I'm starting out with the thank you word die. We're going to move right on into the many thanks die, and then we're going to finish it off with the thank you so much die. Now these are sold separately. So now that we have the word dies covered, let's move right into our hot foil plates. Thank you, many thanks, and thank you so much word hot foil plates are available. Foil these sentiments, then use the word dies to cut them out. The dies line up with the foiled sentiments with ease for a quick and easy foiled sentiment. If you want a shadow around your foiled sentiment, just use the coordinating outline dies to cut out the foiled sentiments. I really like all the options Whimsy has given us with these sets. That brings us to the last product in this release, the Fancy Florals A2 toner card fronts. You receive 2 each of 4 designs in the toner packs, giving you a total of 8 sheets, and the floral patterns are stunning in this pack. Now, I do want to mention that you need toner reactive foil like Deco Foil for toner card fronts, and Whimsy has that available for purchase in their online shop. I have all of the products linked directly below in the description box. If you want to click on those, you can head on over to the Whimsy Stamps site and check it out. So that's going to wrap up the reveal, but as promised, I have a few of my own samples and a few design team samples to share with you while I share giveaway details. Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. And to be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment. Now, each month, a winner will be picked from the comments and announced in the first release video the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and you click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Let us know what you think of the new release in the comments below And if you found the video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. YouTube seems to really like those things. Now you can click those links like I mentioned earlier to head over to the Whimsy Stamps online shop to browse all the new items available. Take care, and until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us.